Hello, good day everyone. Today we will see how to make transparency hatch in AutoCAD. And also, if you want to improve your knowledge of AutoCAD and drafting techniques, join my AutoCAD tips channel. Okay, let's see. First go polyline PL enter, start point, next point, close C enter, select polyline, layer change to def points, exit, go hatch H enter, select solid pattern, color, more color, true color, select green color. Okay, now go hatch transparency, type 50. Okay, now select objects, select object, enter. Okay, after that turn on transparency button, turn on. Okay, transparency hatch. Okay, now go plot, select plotter, DWD to PDF, paper size, ISO A4 size, fit to page tick, center the plot tick, monochrome. Okay, plot transparency tick, landscape tick, click here, select window, okay, preview, plot, desktop, save. Okay, let's see. Council, open with blue beam. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.